Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast, the place where we help you speak English with confidence, using real-life conversations that are easy to understand.
Yes, and today's episode is going to be fun and very useful. We will talk about a busy day in daily life, from morning to evening, and you will learn many common phrases you can use every day.
So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, relax, and let's practice together.
Adam, have you ever had a day when you woke up and thought, "Oh no, I have so much to do"?
Oh, yes, many times. You open your eyes and the list of tasks is already in your mind.
I think many of our listeners feel the same. Sometimes life feels too busy and we don't even have time to breathe.
That's true. But you know what? Even on the busiest days, we can stay calm, focus on one thing at a time, and speak kindly to ourselves.
Yes. And today, while we talk about a busy day, we will also remind you to be gentle with yourself.
So, let's start our day. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good morning, Anna. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Adam. Yes, I slept well, but I woke up a little late. How about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up early because I have a lot to do today.
Oh, really? What's your plan for today?
Well, first I need to make breakfast, then reply to some emails, and later I have a meeting at work.
That sounds busy already.
Yes, but I'll take it step by step. What about you?
I have to clean the house, buy groceries, and call my mother.
Wow, both of us have full schedules.
Let's learn some useful phrases. Did you sleep well? What's your plan for today? I have a lot to do. Take it step by step. So, Adam, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I had breakfast and I just finished my emails. Now I'm getting ready for my meeting.
That's great. Did you have time for a short break?
Not yet, but I will have a cup of tea before the meeting.
Good idea. I also took a short break after cleaning the kitchen.
Taking breaks really helps to keep our energy up.
Let's learn some useful phrases. How's your morning going? I just finished my emails. I'm getting ready for my meeting. I took a short break. It helps to keep my energy up. Adam, how was your afternoon?
Busy, but good. The meeting went well, and I also finished a report for work.
That's great. I went for grocery shopping, cooked lunch, and called my mother.
You did a lot too.
Yes, but now I'm tired. I think I'll relax and watch a movie tonight.
That sounds nice. I might read a book before bed. Friends, you just learned many daily life phrases you can use from morning to night.
Yes. And remember, even if your day is busy, you can still find small moments to speak English.
That's right. You can say these sentences to yourself, to a friend, or even to us in the comments.
The more you practice,
the more natural it will feel.
So keep speaking, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next episode of the Adam and Anna podcast.
Bye, everyone.